And in other news, Bitcoin reached a new all-time high.
Yeah, the cryptocurrency soared past $120,000 as lawmakers begin what they're calling Crypto Week. We are joined live by financial analyst and investor Candy Valentino. Candy, thank you for being with us this morning.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, so for those not in this Bitcoin world, they may be surprised to hear that this is surging and it's something we should be following. What's driving the surge?
So there's a lot of things happening right now, and I'll give you the 3 T's. We've got trade, we've got tariffs, and we've got Trump. And all of those things are happening simultaneously, which is pushing up what crypto's really been trying to do for the last 16 years, which is to be adapted and adopted as more of a physical asset. We've also got Crypto Week coming up, which just happened because we've got the 3 acts, the Clarity Act, the Surveillance Act, and the Genius Act, because the U.S. is trying to be a leader in this space. So when we have all these things happening together, we're seeing these all-time highs.
You know, I do want to talk about that Crypto Week just a little bit, because there are critics out there. And I do think about how we deregulated some other financial institutions and things like that. Many people against cryptocurrency are saying it's going to be like that. There's going to be a deregulation and things could really fall apart. What do you have to say to critics, and are their concerns valid?
I think concerns on both sides are valid. Anytime we're trying to adopt something brand new that's never happened before, or to the level that it's never happened before, there's going to be a lot of challenge, and with a lot of validity. I mean, every time we see one of these all-time highs, we see a lot of pullback. Bitcoin has always been this resistance point where it's kind of hitting 100,000, then it's coming back down to 80. It's hitting 110, and now it's coming back down to 90. So we've always seen these big swings. And I think the other thing that's in play right now are a lot of investors are looking to cryptocurrency because all of this talk of the big, beautiful bill, AKA spending a lot of money that the country doesn't have. So when we print more money in order to deploy more capital into whatever the various investments are, it stabilizes things like crypto, like gold, and a lot of investors start to look that way.
Interesting. So, Candy, what price targets or milestones are we expecting? We're talking about a surge now, but if we look forward to the next 3 to 6 months, what are we expecting to see?
You will see people on both sides saying that we're going to be seeing probably 140 to 145 here in the next 6 to 9 months. I've also talked to very intelligent economists who think that it's going to go the whole way back down to 80,000. What I will say is this, that no matter what you're looking to do, don't take these sound bites that you hear anywhere and just start investing money. You always want cryptocurrency or anything that you invest in to be part of a diversified investment strategy. Don't take all your money and stick it into one asset class, whether that's stocks, real estate, or crypto. You want it to be diversified so that when these pullbacks eventually happen, which they always do, that you don't have all of your eggs in one basket.
What is this idea of stable coin that I've started to see pop up the last few days?
I don't think there is anything that is stable in this market. We have seen such big swings in everything. And people have to remember that when you're investing in something like cryptocurrency, any kind, we'll use Bitcoin just because it's been the standard, you are not investing into anything physical, right? When you're investing in real estate, it's a physical asset. Gold, physical asset. Stocks, you're investing in a company doing well. There's a lot of media and there's a lot of clickbait that happens with crypto that drives it up. And unfortunately, what happens then are those same news cycles, something happens, it drives it down. So it's very volatile. There's technically nothing stable. So make sure that you really understand something before you invest in it. I've seen too many people lose their hard-earned money.
I know, but I want to make a lot of money.
We do.
Is it too late to invest?
Yeah.
It's never too late to invest in anything that is a good investment. The number one thing you never want to do is try to time the market. So if you do not have any crypto right now in your portfolio, you may want to start looking at when it pulls back, because inevitably all stocks that hit an all-time high will always have a cycle where they start to reset. So you can start looking at it, maybe looking at an ETF, a crypto ETF that deploys a bunch of different things into one basket stock and not just go all in on one. Again, most people who just try to find the get-rich-quick schemes, 97% of the time lose money and they don't actually make any.
Oh, man.
And we definitely want to get rich quick. But, Candy, we'll stick with your advice for the slow and smart way. Thank you so much for being with us.
I also want to lose 20 pounds in like 2 days, but that's
true.
not going to happen either. Candy, thank you.